Welcome back, Pack. Today we're going to talk about washing your beard. We'll be right back. Washing your beard. If you remember from our previous videos, we talked about how to wash your beard. And I told you to stay away from body wash, shampoos, hair conditioners, bars of soap that have these chemicals that dry out your beard. What you want instead is a good quality beard wash. Mine is from Black Rebel. This is the Bump Side Beacher Beard Wash. And this is what we're going to use today. This is one of my favorite beard wash that I have purchased. Quality, it's great. The smell is great. The suds is great. And that's what I'm going to show you how to do that. I also have the beard conditioner. This is the Scotch Porter 8-ounce beard conditioner. I will link everything in the bottom below. This is what I put in my beard too. If you guys like this so far and like the content, like, subscribe, leave comments below. I've been getting a couple comments here and there, and I appreciate you guys for leaving those comments. So thank you. I wouldn't be doing this without you guys. So to all my 14 subscribers, thank you. So here we go. So what you want to do is wet your beard. You want warm water. You don't want hot water to wet your beard and get that all ready to go. So waiting for it to warm up. As we wait for it, here we go. And guys, usually I do this in the shower. And I was going to hop in the shower and I decided to make this video for you guys. So I hope you like it. So we're just going to shake the bottle. Make sure we get all that stuff shaken up in there. Take your hand a little bit like this, a little bit like this, and put it in your beard. Now, just like when you put shampoo in your hair, when you've put product in it, you know how it doesn't really get that sud. It suds up really quick. You have to do a second wash. That's usually what I do. Now, everybody washes their beard differently, but this is what I do. This is my regimen. So I wet it. I get some of that in there. I get that worked out. Right? Then I rinse it. And I repeat. Shake it up. Exactly it. Put some on there. About that much. Underneath it. Mustache. So basically this is just stripping all of that nasty grime and oil out of your beard without completely drying out your beard. Like most of those shampoos and conditioners will do. Hair conditioner shampoos will do to your hair. Step 2, conditioner. So this is what it looks like in there. Just take a little bit, you know. I usually use about this much. And just work it through your beard. So I leave this in for about 3 minutes for it to completely get that condition feel in there. Put a whole bunch of links below letting you know where you can find this stuff at. So the shampoo, the conditioner, the combo, because Black Rebel does sell a combo with beard wash and beard conditioner. Shoot, you could buy the whole shebang. You could buy beard wash, beard conditioner, beard butter, and beard oil from the guy. I'll link everything below. If you guys are getting anything from this, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know where I can improve. Let me know what content you guys want to see or want me to review or anything like that. Let's rinse this out now. And that, guys, is how you wash your beard. How you wash it, how you condition it. This falls under the patchy beard segment, and this is why. So when you're first growing your beard and it's patchy, I don't say wash your beard every day, but I used to condition my beard every other day. I used to wash my beard 3 times a week, condition it every other day. Just like you saw me here, I would wet my beard and I would put that conditioner inside my beard, let it sit for 3 minutes while I get ready for bed or get ready for the morning. It depends on your schedule, but I usually do it going to bed. Brush my teeth, get it, and then rinse everything out. And then put beard butter in my beard for the night. So what I noticed with that is that my beard grew in faster and softer. It didn't bother me through the night, didn't bother me through the day. It's just my beard stayed conditioned. It grew better. So that's what worked for me. Try it out. Let me know if that works for you. Everybody is different. Like I said before, you know, take a little piece of this, take a little piece of that, and see if it works for you. I also had a guest. His name is David. And he will be basically our muse. He has been trying to grow a beard. It comes in patchy. So I'm going to sponsor most of the stuff that he's going to use. I'm going to send it to his house, and he's going to keep us updated on the progress on his beard. So keep tuned. Check that out. Guys, later. Peace.